doing a quick little video with some amber colored LEDs. I'm going to install these, my front blinkers. As you guys know, I painted my blinkers, so you know, I was wanting to maybe something a little brighter. I like how it looks. It definitely gives it a nice, better look. But these are a little dim, so here, let me show you. So, I mean, you can still see them. They're not bad. It's just they are a little dimmer. So what we're going to do is we're going to install these and see how they look. So one screw in the back. Twist it, pull the bulb out. Alright, so there's a bulb. So let's give you a little demonstration. There you go. Alright, so you just pull it out. Overall size is supposed to be identical. That's definitely a lot brighter. You got the lights this side, all the way around. It almost hurts my eyes to look at it. So I'll throw it up side by side with the aftermarket bulb, the LED. Alright, so now we're just going to put it back in the case. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison. LED is over here, regular halogen is over there. So these LEDs only go one way, so if you put it in backwards, more or less, it won't work. So you take it, flip it, and it worky. There she is, all done. They're definitely brighter. I like it. I'll put a link for them in the description below, so if you want to get yourself a set, you can give them a shot and try them out. Let me know what you think. Now, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys some more content.